Bonjour à tous, c'est Wallaby. Donc, comme on sait tous, c'est toujours la période de pandémie coronavirus. Certains pays sont toujours en confinement, certains déjà en déconfinement, mais on reste prudent. Donc, dans ce cas-là, restons toujours dans l'encouragement et se soutenir. Voici donc Stand By Me. When the night has come and the land is dark and the moon is the only light we'll see. No, I won't be afraid. No, I won't be afraid. Just as long as you stand by me. So darling, darling, stand by me. Whoa, stand by me. Oh, stand by me, stand by me. If the sky that you look above should tumble and fall, or the moon must still crumble to the sea, I won't cry, no, I won't shed a tears, just as long as you stand by me. And darling, darling, stand by me. Oh, stand by me. Oh, stand by me. Stand by me. Stand by me. By me, oh, stand now. Stand by me, stand by me. Whenever you trouble, no, you stand by me. Oh, stand by me. Oh, just stand now. Stand by me, stand by me. Merci et bon courage à tous.